Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the February Good Vibes Scribe box. I love the box this month. I think it usually was like blue, but now we've got some like green vibes going on. And on the back it says Good Vibes Only. So even just looking at the box, it's bringing some positive vibes. So today we're going to be opening up the February box. This is like a sneak peek. I really enjoy that they sent me this box early so you guys can see, and if you subscribe you'll be getting this box. So before we get to the unboxing, there are some upcoming changes to Good Vibes Scribe they told me about, so I'm going to tell you about that first. So currently the price is now $35 and then you pay like $5.95 with shipping. And this is what the current price will be until February 1st, where it will just be $45 flat fee, no shipping charge. So if you're a current subscriber, you won't have any changes with your price, but if you subscribe after February, you'll just be paying in total a few dollars more. They also offer now a premium option. So for $5 extra, you can become a premium member, and what premium members get, they get to customize at least 2 of their items. So it'll be 2 items they get to customize in the February box. I will point them out as we come across them during the unboxing. And then lastly, I do have a promo code they provided for us, so I will leave that here on the screen and down below in the description box. In this, or using this code, you will get an extra gift with your box. So if you guys use this code, you have to let me know what your extra gift was, because everything that comes in this box is extra great and exciting, and I would love to hear what the bonus item is, because I'm sure that's great as well. So yeah, let's get this open and get the good vibes rolling. I love how it says that. It says good vibes inside. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. There is a card right on top, so let's read that. So it says, Good Vibes Scribe, sending you good vibes only. February 2020 featured products overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts that you have just received. And look, there's a whole bunch of information there. So everything in this box, it comes with, or it comes from like a small business. They'll tell us a little bit about the business, which I just love knowing where my things come from. So I think that is great. And they also included the retail value of the pricing in here. So we get 5 items. So if you use my code, you will get 6 items total. So there's one thing right on top. This looks interesting. So let's start with this item today. So this is by Maji, which stands for Modern Edgy Design. And this is an expandable vase. Stable, reusable, just add water. So I believe this is one of the items you get to customize in your box. Wow, this is really cool. So it shows you on the back. So it says pour water into a vase to expand. Just add flowers and enjoy. So those are the steps right there in the back. And then it shows you all of the different looks they have. So if you're a premium member, you will be able to choose. I received this one. I think this is such a neat idea. So the dimensions are 10 by 6 inches. It says no assembly required. Just add water to expand. It's free of BPA. I need to get some flowers so I can use this. So the retail value of this vase is $9.95. And it says Maji is a home's good company dedicated to bringing modern products that deliver beauty, convenience, and simplicity to homes, events, and everyday life. Maji is located in Cleveland, Ohio, and operates as a division of EPCO Enterprises. Their mission is to modernize everyday products by using unexpected materials and edgy artwork to transform typical home goods to products that fit modern spaces and design preferences. Maji products are BPA-free plastic materials, making them expandable, shatterproof, and recyclable. Maji uses recycled products where possible in their business processes and technology to lower energy usage. Their low-waste shipping policy reuses all possible incoming shipping materials so you can feel good about the package that arrives on your doorstep. At Maji offices, they choose email over printing, recycling over waste, and veggies from their organic staff garden over pesticides. Maji vases, luminaries, and wine glass shades require less energy to produce than glass, as well as less space for transport and therefore less fuel. Add a splash of color to any space with this lovely expandable vase, perfect for a small bouquet of your favorite flowers. Note, this item will be one of the customizable choices for premium. Also, if you subscribe for 6 months or 1 year at a time. So that's cool, I didn't know that part. So if you subscribe for 6 months or longer at a time, you not only save some money, but you also get to choose your products. But this is so cool and unique. I've never heard of anything like this before, so I'm super excited to get this. Once I use it, I'll post on my Instagram, in my Snapchat of it, so you guys can like see what it looks like. So if you are not already following me there, I will leave my social media handles on the screen. But let's move on to the next item. These are so pretty, and I think they might match me. I might need to change my earrings. Oh, and they're by a company I already know and love. These are by Weave Tassel. So Tassel has actually a subscription box. You guys may have seen me unbox it before. They send you some handmade bracelets, but these are earrings. Here, let me get the plastic off so I can show you better. That's so cool that they're in here. These earrings are so pretty, and I love the color. I'm wearing like pink. I'm like way too zoomed in lately, so you guys have to let me know your opinion. Do you guys like the up close and personal, or do you want me to be a little further back? This matches me and my background. That art is by my brother, by the way. I always list his Etsy store down below. Since we're talking about small businesses today, I guess I better throw my brother Teddy a shout out. So here are the earrings. I think these are super pretty. And that's what the backs are like. I love these, love the colors. So the retail value of these earrings are $18. So it's by Weave Tassel, Boho Tassel Earrings. It says, Diane, owner of Weave Tassel, started off with a hobby of knot tying in 2016 while in college. From there, she experimented with various threads and bracelet designs. After posting some of her designs on social media, the orders began pouring in. Headquartered in the Philippines, Weave Tassel has reached 25 countries and counting. Make a statement with these cute handmade boho tassel earrings. They're made with soft cotton threads and nickel-free components. They're lightweight and easy to wear. I really like these. Oh my god, so far I am loving this box. And then what do we have here? So I think these two items go together. So let me get this out of the wrapping. I started unwrapping the wrong item, but now I have it. So we have two things here by Unfused. So this is the Unfused Body and Beauty Massage Candle in Wild Rose. So it's a candle, and massage candles mean you can like use the melted wax for massage. I've gotten several of these before, and to be honest, I've never used it for the massage component, but for the candle and the scent I have. So let's do it. So this is an all-in-one melting massage oil, conditioning hand, nail, and body balm, and a beautifully fragrant spa candle. It says, light the candle, wait 10 to 20 minutes for a pool of warm oil to form. Blow out the candle, pour in the warm oil in your hand, and massage. The candle melts at just above body temperature, so the oil should feel warm but not hot. The remaining candle will solidify to use again. Oh, I never thought to use like massage candles like to moisturize my own skin. Does smell like rose. So again, that is what it looks like. I like the heart ribbon on top. And then this looks like a coaster and stuff. Maybe this is just put it on the candle in case like it drips or something. Let's read about it. So the Unfused Body and Beauty Massage Candle in Wild Rose. It says, Deborah is the owner and formulator of Unfused Body and Beauty. She is the mother of 3 boys, the youngest of whom struggles with autism-related sensory issues. Unfused Skincare was conceived and developed in 2013 out of a desire to produce a limited ingredient, unscented lotion and facial serum for her son, and a dog-specific anhydrous salve for the animal rescue she's associated with. What started out as a practical and fun learning and formulating for personal use turned into a thriving business by 2014. Unfused products are intended for women who are experiencing dry skin, minor scaling, dull complexion, expression, and crinkle lines, uneven tone, minor breakouts, and blemishes. Formulated to be effective and affordable with minimal ingredients, our products strive to deliver the benefits of natural earth elevated by innovative scientific advances in cosmetic chemistry. When incorporated into a regular routine, our products will improve the actual and perceived feeling and appearance of your skin. We believe that you can fall in love with your skin again. This all-in-one wild rose scented candle can be used as a melting massage oil, hand conditioner, and a nail and body balm. And I can't remember if I told you the retail price yet, but the retail value is $20.95. So I think this right here, they don't talk about it. I think it's just like an extra. You can use this as a coaster, or if you want to just leave your candle on it, you can do that as well. I don't think there will ever be like an issue with it like overflowing because I've used many candles in my day. So I think this is really cute though. Did I show you it up close? I love like all the hearts and stuff. Very cute. And I love this background story of it for all these companies. Like again, doesn't that just make you feel good hearing all of this? But let's talk about the next item. So this is by Pinch Me. It's therapy dough, and this is in Bumbleberry. It says refocus, rebalance, restore, relaxation in a pinch. I am so excited about this. And there's a little card that comes with it that explains more. On the back it says not a food, do not eat. Probably because it says dough, so you don't get confused with that. But let's read this card to learn more about it. It says, say hello to Pinch Me, a holistic, drug-free, portable stress reduction tool. Simply squeeze, knead, or mold it while you're reading, studying, watching TV, in a meeting, or anywhere you want to unwind. For a refreshing twist, pop your Pinch Me into the fridge. The chilled dough keeps it cool, so you can too. When you're done, just drop it back in the container, twist the lid, and tuck it away until next time. Every Pinch Me purchase helps fund our mission to pay it forward by supporting the Wounded Warrior Project. For that, we thank you. Oh, I love that. Let's get this open. I'm so curious. Oh, there's a safety seal. I'm like, I can't get it because it's sealed. So that is the container, or what the cap looks like. Oh, and this is the dough, and it actually says Pinch Me in it. So let's take some. Oh my god, it smells so good. So do I just take some out? Yeah, so you can just put it in your hand, you can knead it. You can get, there's way more left in here. I just took a little bit out. But you can, it's like a stress ball, but even like better because you can like do more things with it, mold it around. And it smells really good. I don't think stress balls smell this good. Oh my god, this is awesome. I'm gonna keep this on my desk. I might wanna, I'm just gonna keep doing it when I tell you the pricing and a little bit more about the company. So where is this? This is on the back here. So Pinch Me Therapy Dough and Bumbleberry. The retail value is $24.99. It says, Pinch Me creator and clinical hypnotherapist Nancy Rothner came up with a simple, holistic stress reduction technique to be used anytime, anywhere. She says this placating putty was developed using the proven scientific methodology of color and scent as they relate to relaxation in a handy little mood-shifting portable tin. While it can't take away all that ails you, it can help you get back to center so you're able to face your stressors with the clarity that comes from renewed focus. Using pleasant scents, calming colors, and tension-relieving textures, this therapy dough is professionally designed to induce relaxation and positive emotions. Refocus, rebalance, restore. Bumbleberry, a burst of berries blended with a hint of vanilla, gives you an unforgettable aromatic sensation. Every Pinch Me purchase helps fund their mission to support the Wounded Warrior Project. I love this. It does feel so nice. It smells really good. I do love the color like they said. I think this is such a great idea. I'm so happy we got this. I'm all about using like techniques to reduce stress and just relax, and I love good scents. I say that all the time. I love it. So I think we have one more item in here, and I think this is something else you could have customized. This is a soap. This is by BenjaminRoco.com. Victoria, Texas is where it was made. And this is rose clay. Smells good. So Benjamin Rowe is in remembrance to my father, a man who passed on his many skills and love for working with his hands. I am grateful for everything he has taught me. Thank you for your support. Oh, that's so nice. And the ingredient list is really simple. So this is made with coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, purified water, essential oil, and rose clay, and it's 4.5 ounces. It's not like too heavily fragranced either. So let's learn a little bit more about this. Yep, so you could have either gotten rose clay or vanilla raspberry, so you would have been able to choose if you're a premium member or if you paid for a 6-month or 1 year subscription. So Benjamin Rowe Rose Clay Facial Bar. Benjamin Rowe was started by owner Greg Monet in 2016 as a remembrance to his father who passed away from heart disease when he was 26. Greg always dreamed of having his own business and began drop shipping at just 15 years of age. Drop shipping is the process of buying and selling online without ever actually possessing the product. His efforts were eventually shut down when new policies were updated to eliminate this practice. He did not stop dreaming and decided always to be self-employed. A few years later, Greg started a punk rock band, which he wrote and recorded music. After the band broke up, Greg went on to graduate from the University of Houston, Victoria in 2013. Shortly after, his father, Benjamin Rowe, passed away from heart disease and kidney failure. Remembering how his father always loved to tinker and create and how Greg enjoyed helping him on multiple projects, he decided to begin Benjamin Rowe. With the help of his girlfriend and family, Greg creates artisan soaps, soy candles, and fragrance goods. He originally chose to make soap to treat his psoriasis. He then incorporated the idea of creating more items that were organic and safe for himself and the environment. He believes in the importance of living a natural and chemical-free life. This rose clay soap is lightly scented and contains natural rose clay, making it a great facial soap. Rose clay is fantastic because it removes toxins in the skin, but is friendly for even the most sensitive skin types. It gently exfoliates and has polishing properties that bring out newer, younger-looking complexion. Awesome! So that was everything that came in our box. So let's just do a quick little recap. I think we've got some cool things. Like this vase, this expandable vase, this is so cool. I absolutely love. It's recyclable, it's environmentally safe, no assembly required, just add water. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Again, stay tuned for that. We got our massage candle and this little bonus coaster thing. We got these beautiful earrings. I'm gonna put these on, I think, for my next video. They're so pretty. Totally my colors, I love them. Well, I love all color, but I love those colors, especially right now. But I think what I'm most excited about is this Pinch Me Therapy Dough. I think this concept is so cool. It smells really good, and I honestly could tell just from doing it for that like minute or two that it is a calming sensation. I love it. And then we got this rose clay soap. So I think this is a great box. Again, if you subscribe now and you use my code, you'll get an extra item. And again, I would love to hear what it is. But anyways, I hope this box, watching me unboxes, sent some good vibes over your way. I definitely feel them over here. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.